Here are 5 facts about nature that you didn't know you needed. Pigeons can do math. They can actually count and solve basic number problems. Meanwhile, I still use a calculator to tip 10%. Some crabs carry sea anemones as weapons. Yep, they literally strap living, stinging creatures to their claws like it's Call of Duty, Ocean Edition. Turtles can breathe through their butts. When they hibernate underwater, they absorb oxygen through their rears. It's like biological scuba gear, but weirder. Octopuses throw things when they're mad. They've been seen launching shells and silt, sometimes at each other. Basically, get off my rock, Carl. Goats have rectangular pupils. Their eyes look like robot scanners. But it helps them see 360 degrees to spot predators. Also makes them look possessed. Nature's smart, savage, and low-key. Hilarious. Hit that subscribe button for more. This is Creature Code.